How's it going, guys? We're gonna go race our stage 1 APR tune with no bolt-ons or anything else besides the lowering springs and wheels and tires. We're gonna go against this WRX with full bolt-ons. I'm not sure what stage that would be, but it makes around 370. Damn, it makes around 370 horsepower. So we'll probably lose, but we're gonna do it from a roll, and that is gonna be an advantage for us. So let's see how it turns out. 5.
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. You got me there.
What?
You got me there big time. I'm at 50 right now.
45.
45? Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Pull next to me. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Damn. 2, 1, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 2, 1, go. Keep going. Nice. 2, 1, go. Two, one. Yeah, we have nowhere to go.
These 2 cars, oh my goodness.